Hello friends and welcome back to Mani Maker. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change the knife blade on your Cricut Maker series. Before you start, don't forget to hit subscribe button or reach out to our expert for one-on-one assistance. Otherwise, let's get started. First, make sure your machine is turned off. Then, open the clamp B. Take a new blade and insert into the clamp. Close the clamp and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit manimaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.